What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Dodge Journey key fob. This key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now if we take a look at the bottom where that key just came out of, if we're holding it with the buttons facing down, if we look just below the slot where the key slides in, we see this slot right here. What I'm going to do is put the blade of the screwdriver in there just a little bit, and then I'm going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock. So put that in there, and then twist. As you see, it'll pop the case apart a little bit. Then you can use it to just help you get the rest of the way off, or rest of the way apart rather. And then once we get it apart, if we take a look in the back of the shell, we see the battery right here. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. And then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.